Why you need to leave expansion gaps around the perimeter of kitchen floor tile is that the tile and subfloor will expand and contract with changes in temperature and humidity and need space to move. Tile assemblies are rigid, and a full bond to all surrounding elements creates stress when any component changes size. The subfloor, thin-set mortar, grout, and the tiles themselves respond differently to moisture and heat, so you should plan a movement joint at every exposed edge and at any change in plane. Practically, that means leaving a gap at the perimeter of the tiled area, roughly 1/8 to 1/4 inch wide, and using consistent spacers or thin shims to hold that gap while the adhesive cures. When installing large format tile or when the heated slab is present, increase attention to joint placement and follow manufacturer guidance, because longer runs and larger tiles make movement more pronounced. After setting and grouting, conceal the joint with baseboard or quarter round that is attached to the wall and not to the tile, so the tile assembly can still shift independently. If you are sealing the grout, avoid bridging the movement joint with sealant that is too rigid. Instead, use a flexible silicone or polyurethane sealant where movement is expected. Common mistakes include leaving no gap and rigidly fixing trim to both the tile and the substrate, which prevents movement and leads to cracked tiles. Fix this by keeping trim fasteners in the wall only and maintaining the designed gap. Another issue is using spacers that are too large or inconsistent, so the perimeter joint is uneven and hard to cover. Solve this by selecting spacers that match the recommended gap and checking distances at multiple locations before the adhesive sets. A third concern is filling the movement gap with grout or hard mortar, which defeats its purpose and transfers stress to the tile. Avoid that by using compressible backer rod or flexible sealant in the gap, and by training installers to treat movement joints differently from grout joints. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects like tile floors, and to help contractors find work opportunities in their area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, product experiences, and practical advice for issues such as expansion gaps.